Hello YouTube and welcome to another SY Diagnostics video with me, Skoda Yoda, and today we're going to be changing the pollen filter on a 2015 Seat Leon. On this particular vehicle, the pollen filter is located in the glove box area, so we need to lower the glove box, remove all the rubbish that the customer's got in there. Snap-on hats, Stanley knives, deodorant, magnifying glass for some reason, some test cables, bike light, tissues, tablets, pens, more tablets, a toothbrush, bag of sweets, some Volkswagen part, some earbud cables, test cables and more tissues. Then we need to lower the glove box down, just like that. Remove the cover for the media unit. Then it's just here, behind this cover here. I need to just pop these clips, 1, 2, and 3. Take the cover off, take the pollen filter out. As you can see, quite dirty, definitely needed changing. Making sure that you note as well there are some arrows on there for the direction of flow. Put it back in the same direction. Here's the new pollen filter. There you can see the arrows just near my thumb. Slide it back into the slot. Pop the cover back on. Pop into the 3 slots. Nice firm clip there. Then you pop the cover back on for the media unit. Nice firm fix. Pop the glove box back in. And that's that. As simple as that. Takes no more than 2 minutes. So, thank you for watching.